Hi, let's set up the TP-Link Deco E4 mesh system. I have two pieces over here and I will use this one as the main Deco and this one as the secondary. And let's put it away so far and let's connect the main Deco. The only way to set up the mesh system is to use the TP-Link Deco application, because there is no way to connect it without browser. Even if you enter the IP address of the Deco, you will see the QR code for downloading this application to your smartphone. So you need to install this application, then open it. And if you are not logged in or don't have the TP-Link account, you need to create one. Let me skip this step because it's super simple, no harder than registration somewhere in Facebook or Amazon. So you need just to download the application, create account, log in, and then you will see this screen, paint your home Wi-Fi. So now you need to plug in your Deco into a power outlet and wait for this signal on the top of the device to start blinking blue. It takes about 2 minutes, so just be patient and wait. Once you see this LED blinking blue, tap on Let's Begin. And it's looking for Deco, and now I'm prompted to enter wireless settings on my smartphone and connect to the Deco's Wi-Fi network. So let's do it. You will have a different number here because each Deco has its own unique number added to the end. So tap on Deco, it's connecting. Now I see it's connected, Deco E4R is found, and we have only one button here. Set up the Deco. Let's tap on this button. Now you need to connect Deco to your modem or router via an Ethernet cable, or if you don't have a modem or router, you can create a backhaul connection. To do this, tap on I don't have a modem and connect Deco to a LAN port directly. But I have a router here, so let me connect using the router. So face the back side of your Deco, plug the Ethernet cable into the Ethernet port, and the another end you need to plug in to your router's Ethernet output. That's it. And now let's press this arrow and you need to restart your modem. So turn it off and turn it back on. Now you need to wait for the Ethernet signal on your modem. So far my signals is pretty dim because they are turned off. So anyways, depending on your router's model, you have the different set of signals telling you that everything is working correctly, so you have to wait for all these signals to be turned on. For example, for this router I need to wait for the power signal to stop blinking and for this planet signal to start glowing solid green. Well, now it's orange, but let me wait for green, otherwise it won't work. So once you see the proper picture on your router, depending on your model, put the router back, and then let's tap on the modem, restart it. And now you need to answer the question, where do you place this Deco? So you can select between the different room names or create a custom room name. Let it be office. Tap on arrow. Now your connection type is automatically detected, is dynamic IP connection. You don't need an advanced settings, don't go there so far. Tap on next, and here you need to create the network name and password. Let's call the network simply my mesh so far, and enter password at least 8 characters. Of course, you can create the more difficult password. Tap on next, and the system is creating your new network. Now let's save the network to the phone. Tap on arrow, and this is now our new network. Tap on save, connecting to my mesh, to the new network, found it. Deco is now online. Now let's go to Wi-Fi settings and see what we have here. This is our new network, and at the same time it broadcasts 2.4 and 5 GHz networks, so you don't have to switch between the networks. If you have older devices that prefer 2.4 GHz, they will connect to the corresponding network automatically at the best possible speed. So it's connected now. Let's go back to the application and we can add another Deco. We will do this right now. So this is our main Deco. We are done here so far, so let it stay there. And here is our new Deco, which we'll use as the range extender. Let's plug it in. Now you need to wait, as with the main Deco, you need to wait for the signal to start blinking blue, and you can tap on add another Deco so far and find a suitable spot. Here you can select your home configuration. You can select between 1, 2 and 3 and more floors. You are suggested for the best configuration. I have only 2 Decos, but it's enough for me, so let me select 1 floor. Place devices in an open space, it's obvious to me, and away from large electrical appliances, of course. This is a general advice, so tap on arrow. The device is blinking blue, so let's go ahead. It's looking for Deco. The device is found. You can tap add this device now, and I'm connecting the secondary Deco right at my table, but you need to connect it at the place it serves the best. For example, if you need to extend the signal for your living room from your main Deco, so go to living room, connect, plug your Deco into a power outlet in your living room and continue there. So let's select living room. Failed to add this device, but why? The glowing blue indicator shows us that everything is fine. Okay, let's tap on try again. And Deco has been added, so if you encounter that message, just try again and everything has to be fine. Tap on done, because I don't have another Deco. And the matter is, I don't see my secondary Deco added to the network. Well, no, I just had to wait a little bit. So this is office. You remember the main Deco was in office, the secondary Deco was for living room, and this is the application where you can manage different your settings of your mesh system. For example, you can update your firmware from here, which I recommend you to do. So to update the firmware, go to System and go to Update Deco. It's checking for updates, and update is available, so download firmware, wait for it to be completed. Now let's look at the indicators. We have red indicator on our secondary Deco. It means the connection is interrupted because we're updating now. So let's install. And now the white LED is blinking. It means the update is in process, and we see the remaining time on our smartphone screen. Okay, let's skip this waiting. Now Wi-Fi system is up to date. We have solid white indicators. It means the Decos are connected and broadcasting Wi-Fi. So let's go back to settings. What else we can do here? You can do different difficult things like block list and QoS, whatever it means. You can control your internet connection, optimize your network, and so forth. But this is the topic for another video. So far you're all set, and I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and be awesome. Bye guys.